Ladies!
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh god, I'm knocking shit over. Hi, everybody. Hi. Happy Wednesday, everybody. How are we? What's the tea? Are y'all doing good today? So I asked Benji earlier if he would play Phasma with me tonight, and he said absolutely, absolutely not. But then that changed, so we're gonna play together. Woohoo! So Benji might join the second game. I'm not sure. We'll see when things get started.
Ladies.
Hi, Raheen. How are you? Happy Wednesday. And thank you all for the happy 300 wish. I am so sad that my internet died yesterday during stream because I fully would have gotten to 300 while I was live. But oh well. Hi, Mr. Light. Go lay down. So I can show everybody your beautiful smiling face. Hi Jay. I'm sorry you didn't get here first, but I'm glad you walked Rufus before my stream. And of course I was running slightly late again. It's because I keep working on my stream, okay? So sue me. But congrats, Unicorn, for getting here first. Hi, Unicorn. Hi, P-Dids. I hope your stream is going well. Congrats for 300. Thank you. We're so close to the weekend, Raheen. And also, now that I'm live, I can set the new goal. So what do you all think? Should I set it for 400? Or should it be... I kind of think 400, right?
It's going to be a tough one. We've had reports of violence, and it looks like they left in a hurry.
Violence? That's not good. Interesting. You set it to amateur and then they make it so there's freaking violence. Hot as hell in this room. Damn, I wonder if it's a living room ghost. Oh, girls.
Ladies.
It's a living room ghost. I'm gonna put this down. A Rattata? How classic. Can I put this on the couch? Oh, I love it. Wait, maybe it doesn't work. Oh, there we go, okay. Is that all I brought? The ghost was already detected, y'all. I don't like that. Ah! Leave me alone! Oh my god! Why? What? Like, was that not a hunt? Like, it came right from my ass. I took an EMF reader. It's right here. Oh, it's a doggy. Salt. Ooh, yeah, I could put down some salt. I'm busy being scared. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that was a hunt. I think I just... It felt like a hunt in my heart. I like when the ghost stands still. I don't like when the ghost, like, you know, is moving around all the time and it's not a hunt. His name is Russell. Well, their name is Russell. We're not gonna assume. How old are you? How old are you? Oh, I'm having internet issues. Why now? Why couldn't that have been earlier? That scream was priceless. Ah! I'm glad you enjoyed it. This damn ghost. Turning off my lights. I wish I could open the garage, then I could get to the power box much faster. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What a bag of bullshit. It's an actual hunt. I need to go get candles. Benji, those wings were cunt. I'm so glad. I just turned the lights on, and I'm pretty sure my cross just exploded. Yep. Ah!
Let's go, Joe.
Jesus Christ. Benji. You know, you're about to join me. I'm gonna leave you to die so fast. Jay, if I were a ghost, I would haunt the gays so I could watch Drag Race completely. So, what a good idea. Which reminds me, Jay, are you watching The Pit Stop? I forgot if you like The Pit Stop or not. I forgot to mark down the evidences. Oh, so we have free... Yeah! Oh, wow. Audio. Voice activation. Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi, Benji. Everybody, this is Benji.
Hi, everybody.
Okay. So do you need a warm-up game like the one I just had where I literally died on amateur?
No, I'm an expert.
Oh, you're expert. You're good to go. We're going to prison.
Nurse!
Photo camera. And then you can hear all the stuff from so far away. Like, when you load into the map, it, like, warns you. It's like, ooh, people say you can still hear the ghosts. And yeah.
Check the equipment.
Hi.
Is the better flashlight?
Yeah, I just got them.
Oh, you think you fancy, huh? Think some top shit, huh?
I know I'm some top shit, okay? Let's see. We have to witness a ghost event. Something about a firelight. Capture a photo of the ghost.
I found the Ouija board.
Oh shit! Where is it?
Master bedroom closet.
Do you have a camera?
No.
Okay, I'll come take a picture of it. I didn't know Consuelo was here.
Ladies.
Where's P Dids? P Dids would want to instantly do this.
I get so scared to do that.
I know. And then I always forget to say goodbye. Do we have to do it in the dark? That sounds scary.
No. Come on, Shiva. Come on, Shiva. Come on, Shiva.
Hello? P-Dids would like to know your name.
Ladies.
What is your name? Or I guess we know their name. Oh, how old are you? Oh, fuck. 26.
26.
Damn.
That's a baby.
Are you single? I mean, goodbye.
You instantly say goodbye.
I got an
Say
answer.
your name.
I can't believe I asked it its name, and we literally
What's
know
your
its
name?
name.
How old are you? Goodbye.
Well, it told us its age. I'm out of here. Are you kidding me?
I don't need to know anything else about you. Your name, your age.
It could be. Did you not know you were a paranormal entity, P-Dids? Hi, Sophia. How are you? I've already died tonight. I think that just sums up how Phasmo's going. I did say goodbye so fast. And the ghost was like, bye. It's ghost writing. Oh yeah. How long does the candle last by itself?
It used to be a long time. Like it never would go out. But you could also light other candles, but they can't pick up a candle.
Wait, what happened?
He blew it out. Yes, we got it.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, take a picture, take a picture, take a
Oh,
picture, take a picture.
God damn it!
Wait, see?
I think it's actually hunting.
Oh, dang!
I think Benji died. Benji, no. The way we both couldn't figure out, Oh my god! What happened to your neck? It was like a ghost event right into a haunt or a hunt. So like I'm not blaming you, Benji. But should I still try to get the picture? Also, I didn't even circle the correct ghost yet. It's a revenant. But also, how come it started the hunt in the hallway? Or did it not? Okay, I got it. Out of here. Woohoo! Okay, Benji, come to the car. I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom. I don't think we got any bad photos. Oh wait, maybe we did. Maybe I did. Dead body. I love that. That's so tacky. Dang, we got all good photos. Benji, are you in the car? Oh, Jesus. I love that it's invisible. I hope you circled Revenant. We did it! That's so exciting. Well, I'm so sad that Benji died because we were doing so good. I love that thing. It says it's a shame nobody was around to hear the residents running for their lives. I called this a hawking hole. What happened?
I saw you talk about the pit stop earlier.
Yes.
Are we talking about what they said about facial hair?
What did they say? I haven't watched the second one, the second pit stop with
Yeah, so they were.
Is it Violet?
Trixie and Violet said drag queens shouldn't have beards or facial hair.
Ah, that's
And
rude.
I strongly disagree with that.
Yeah, I very much disagree with that.
Because there's streamers like Evie who always has a beard. I love. It would be weird seeing her without a beard in drag.
Yeah, that's really shady of them. I really enjoyed the pit stop with literally cannot remember the guest who was on the first episode. Oh, Shea Coulee.
Shea
That one was
Coulee.
so good.
Yeah.
Why was this door
Shay.
open? Suspicious. God damn it. I feel like we have to go upstairs. Ooh, these are open, just so you know. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I thought that was you. That's
Was
next
it a
to-
piano? Wait, they're hunting.
Oh god, I'm gonna die. No!
Oh my god, Benji, no! Benji, no! Not like this, Benji! Where did it hunt from? It like came from down the hall. I'm scared. I didn't want to do this alone, even though I was fully prepared to play alone. Oh, I see my breath. Okay, let's revisit Benchy's body and take his stuff. Let's loot the body. Is that all you had? That's what your coworker said? I literally just like... Is it done? It's a sassy ghost. Oh, it's freezing temperatures. I didn't know where to go. I was already in the room. Why was that one so much more aggressive? Jesus. My goodness.
Oh, I hear the radio.
Oh, there's a radio on? Oh, excuse me. There's a phone ringing.
Getting EMF over here?
Where's the radio?
It's in here.
Oh, is this not the same room? This is...
Yes, this is the same.
Oh wait, no, wait, is it? No. Yes. No. Wait, yes it is. Ah! It's the same room. This is where I died. I thought this would be a great hiding place. I guess I could have hid by the fan. I don't know if it's in the room or not.
I'm getting EMF like right here at the door.
Oh, actually, yeah, I see my breath.
It just went below.
Ooh, okay, perfect.
Recent temps.
Oh, that's too loud.
Are you old?
Oh shit.
Do you like meat?
Ghostwriting. Do you like meat?
Do you like meat?
I circled a revenant just in case we die.
Oh yeah, because I think, well, if we have to get it above a EM at level 5, wouldn't that then be one of the things that we...
Wait, what?
So one of the objectives is to get EMF... Oh no, it's not find evidence with the EMF. Never mind.
I am not good at these hiding places. Something about this room feels very trapping. Hunting again. Veggie run. We have such bad luck at this house. That is so funny. I cannot. This is so ridiculous. That is so funny.
We've arrived. Check the equipment and get set up before investigating.
Hanging out. I hope you have a wonderful Thursday. Oh my god, she's hunting! I'm just kidding. You're so good at the tune. Raheen, I enjoyed this.
found the
Yay!
soul.
Oh shit. I'm the ghost. Buckle up, ladies. Quicks is about to take us for a ride.
Ladies.
She just must have
And yes,
getting
puppy cam is
screwed
always
twice.
on during Phasmo because I'm not doing it. It's too scary. If I have to look away, I'm glad there's a puppy cam.
It'll be a menace real quick. Are you here?
Are you here?
Are you like
Hello.
fucking here? Are you like a ghost or something?
Quicks, did they update the living room couch to be a low back IKEA model? Because that's what it is now. Honestly, it is an upgrade. It was it leather before?
Can you give us a sign?
It's moving the thing out here. I
What
think.
is it?
Do you have the
Here, let
EMF
me go
reader?
grab it.
I think it could be the whole hallway. The whole hallway smells like cum.
How old are you? How did you die?
We got footprints. Footprints.
What was it?
Are you alive?
Yeah, all I did was stand on the bed.
I always wonder if the ghost can get you there.
Well, I don't know. I tried to. This closet's full, so I just.
I love it. Did I get both pictures?
Ooh.
No.
There's.
I think it's done. I do not like that I can hear it saying, "Where are you?"
Yeah. Boy, he keeps throwing stuff.
I still need a picture of the other.
Ghost riding.
Oh, yes. It's ghost riding. Did you get freezing temps yet?
Oh, yes, below 0.
And it's ghost orbs.
Let's go outside. Let's go outside.
Okay, let's see evidence.
Revenant.
Ghost riding and freezing temperatures. Another revenant. It's the only ghost we can live against.
I was about to go in then. Let me turn off the lights.
I'm gonna bring Sage because we have to sage while we're being chased, apparently. Yeah, Pup, did you hear the ghost saying shit? Like that wasn't okay. Usually it's humming or singing. I'm going back in. I'll bring a crucifix and put it down. Witch is a professional ghost hunter. We all saw it firsthand. Yeah, I definitely didn't die. It's like pissed. Oh well, yeah, it's because you're at like 0 sanity. Oh my god! That scared the shit out of me. Thank gosh you have a camera. Whew.
I got a picture of the ghost. That was a good picture actually of the ghost. Animal Cross.
Yeah, nice job. Holy shit. And you need to. Oh yeah, let's find the cursed item. But maybe you should take some medicine before.
Did we already do it? Did we get the 0?
Not yet.
Oh, we didn't.
You're at
Wait,
like
do we go
1%.
a bit?
Did you take Oh no, I'll take medicine.
No, I haven't. I won't take it, just in case if I die. Then...
Oh wait. I wonder if the daily task has to be me. Yup, Pup, your face is so effing good. I jumped. You jumped from what? The ghost. Did you hear it running for my ass? No. Oh, Benji.
Hey, I got you just before you died.
It's fully because I said something or like I made a noise. I made a noise. I wanted to find the cursed object. Oh my goodness. Is somebody joining us?
Possibly. Oh, of course she comes in eating something.
Don't make chubby girl jokes.
Hi, Quicks.
See, Quicks is still at level 7. Why did it restart me? Oh, it touched this door.
Where?
Touched the bathroom door. The spine's in here also.
The spine.
I'm getting EMF for it.
Probably because there's a freaking spine on the floor. That's unusual.
That's a whole ass spine.
Dropped to 50, but
My Hollywood crush.
Oh, Patrick Wilson? He's great.
Yes. Oh, he's so hot.
Is that not a light?
do you want to know the room?
Did you take a picture of it?
Did that count?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Yes, it did.
Yep.
Yeah, let's find out.
It said it was the kitchen.
The kitchen? I don't know about that.
But that's what it said. It showed the table and it showed the pickles.
Okay, let's see. We'll bring some of this. And we'll grab some of that. Meow.
I could talk to her. I'm gonna turn the light up now, though. Are you here? Okay.
Well, yes, they are here.
So it could also be the twins, but the twins are spirit.
It's hunting.
No, 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 no.
You barely fucking. Oh, you did not survive. Not me being like, you barely fucking survived. Nope. No, you did not.
Somebody did.
Quicks is dead as hell. I witnessed the whole thing. Well, Quicks was doing what I was doing, where you scream. Okay, it's over.
Yes, that's all I have.
I'm gonna look for ghost
'Cause it-
orbs.
Well, it can be either dots, ghost writing, or the twins is also another option. But those are like
How do you
EMF
have?
5,
How do you
spirit
get the
box, and sensing.
twins?
Um,
Twins doesn't have
oh,
ultraviolet.
I was looking. Sorry, I was looking at the mimic.
Oh,
My
the
bad.
mimic. I see. I see. I gotcha.
Freezing temps. Is another one.
Hi, Silky. Thank you for the lurk, friend. Sophia, not a single kill the second time. Got Blackwater Swamp and had no idea what my perks did. Aww. Oh, I know where I'm going.
Kill me.
Can you start a hunt? The one time we would like it.
Show yourself.
You killed our friend. We want revenge. Oh God!
Bitch right now. Oh.
Are you alive?
That was so scary. Yes, I'm alive. I know as soon as we started celebrating. Oh fuck, I don't have my flashlight. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Did we do it? Did we get him? Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, I walked
I think it-
through the ghost because when I started the sage, it turned directions, and then I went down the hallway to chase it, and then it turned around. Oh, it was awful. Quicks, are you
We got
here?
a picture of the ghost at least.
We learned that you can throw the clipboards as a ghost.
In my dailies.
Okay, you're here. Make sure you have the mimic. And we found the cursed object, we found the bone. We're awesome! Do the locomotion, do the locomotion. Please. Yeah, I guess I don't see my breath.
Talk anymore. Oh,
Are you friendly? Are you friendly? Are you angry? Are you violent?
oh my god.
Where are you? F-O.
It's throwing stuff in the...
Oh yay!
Yeah, they're in the foyer. Thank you so much for letting us know. Goodbye.
Rocking chair is happening.
Rocking chair is happening. Oh God.
I got breaths and whatever.
Okay, got a picture.
F3.
So, where's the foyer? That's here, right? Oh wait, did it turn off the power?
Living room, right?
Yeah, it turned off the power. Yeah, I like.
That was a ghost event.
Okay. I held my breath so I wouldn't say no, 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 no. I had to fucking hold my breath. The rocking chair. I hate the fucking rocking chair.
Are you here? Are you female?
I love that I was walking around with the EMF reader turned off.
It
So much
likes to
better.
talk to me. Can you blow out the candle?
Let's see, what else can we do? brought some
Blow
salt.
up the candle. Blow up the candle.
Are there fingies on the telephone?
No?
Why didn't you answer it?
I don't talk to ghosts.
I'm gonna move the book.
What's his name again? Gregory?
It's Robert Jones.
Robert. Why are you being
Gregory.
Why are you being so homophobic right now?
I'm gonna look for the bone.
Can you blow out this candle, Robert?
I don't think we found the bone, right? I found the bone.
He says in the phone.
It's a pelvis. Where are you? How old are you?
It's hunting.
This is awkward, Benji.
I'm looping it! I'm looping it!
Running for her fucking life.
I fucking looped the shit out of it! I looped the shit! I looped the shit out of it!
I looped the ghost around the couch. I looped the ghost around the couch.
I just watched Wiggly running around the table.
Yeah. Were you watching through the window?
Yeah.
I can't believe I survived. I couldn't turn my flashlight on. I was so scared and I was lost.
You do anything helpful,
It literally did not.
Robert.
Hey, watch out.
Did this count?
I did mine.
It did! Yay!
Okay.
Let's get out of here. Oh wait, well we don't know what the last evidence is. God damn it.
Yeah. Yes.
Who is it?
Running around with no flashlight. That goes.
It's terrifying. Sophia, I let a Leon live and he gave me his medkit. Aww. It's true love. I am so sad you weren't here to witness me loop the killer. He blew out the light bulb. Cece, did you see me?
Can't be writing.
Wait, what?
He threw the.
He threw the book?
book. Yeah.
Then yeah, that's cross off the writing. So it's not a
So
revenant.
either Ultraviolet, dots, or.
Maybe we just have to walk around in the dark with dots projectors. I'll go grab another one.
Oh god. But yeah, Cece, I looped the killer around the dinner table and I lived. You could hear but didn't see. That's okay. I'm sure there'll be more loops to come. I just couldn't believe I lived. I like couldn't figure out how to turn on my anything, my flashlight. Hunting. It spawned right on top of me. No. They're gonna be like, wow, Witchling died right in the middle of the floor. My goodness, that took forever. Benji, OMG, I will always want to play with Chew. Aww. Well, now I know, and now I won't be so scared to ask. You're so tired. Well, thank you all for a lovely, wonderful stream on a day that was gearing up to be not the best day. And it turned into like a really fun, awesome night. Thank you so much for hanging out. Cece, thank you for hanging out and vibing with us. Lalosen, thank you for the follow, friend, and thank you for hanging out with some Phasmo fun. Benji and Quicks, thank you again for hanging out and for these games and for gaming with me. P-Dids, Raheen, Cece, have a lovely night. Have a good Thursday. We're so close to the weekend. Sophia, thank you for hanging out. I hope you have good games in DBD if you keep playing. But yeah, I stream on Saturday. That's my next stream, but you never know. I could stream Thursday or Friday. But my next scheduled stream is Saturday, so I will see you then. Bye, ladies.
Ladies.